Science has made it clear that eating sugar leads to poor health. But sugar tastes good, is in seemingly everything, and is pretty cheap. On top of that, poor health is a future thing, making it hard to come up with a reason to put down the cookie or avoid grabbing the candy bar. Here are 6 less scientific but highly motivating reasons you don't want to ruin your day by eating sugar. Reason number 1 is that eating sugar just makes you want to eat more sugar. When I am faced with a bowl of chocolate candy, the thought that comes to mind is that all chocolate does is make me want to keep eating it. Sugar gives you a 10-second feeling of satisfaction, followed by an hour or more of heightened cravings. Therefore, it's not worth starting to eat, because if you do, it leads to the second way sugar ruins your day, which is that sugar hijacks your thoughts. Take a bite of a cookie, hold it in your mouth, and within seconds it becomes a pile of mush. That's because it takes very little effort for your body to break down sugary and refined foods like cookies, cakes, and candies. Almost instantaneously, that sugar gets into your system, releasing a firestorm of hormones in your brain that hijack your thoughts. It's like having a little kid inside your head screaming, more please, more please, more please, more please, more please, to the point where you cannot focus on anything else. It is not fun. However, the reality is that you invited that annoying little kid into your brain by taking that first sugary bite. Next time, skip the sugar and keep your sanity. Sugar is a quick digesting substance that dumps a ton of energy into your bloodstream, causing a dramatic rise in the fat storing hormone called insulin. Unless you are in the middle of running a race, you do not need all of the energy contained in a piece of chocolate cake. To maintain balance, your body shuttles excess energy out of your blood and into storage, with the main storage closet being body fat. In plain terms, sugar makes us fat. On top of that, refined carbs that are quick to enter your bloodstream are quick to leave, leaving you with a low blood sugar level that drives your desire for more sugar. So from this, we see that sugar holds a couple of promises that it doesn't keep. The first thing that sugar lies to us about is hunger satisfaction. An Oreo cookie might seem like a harmless snack to take the edge off of hunger. However, it takes a lot of willpower to eat just one Oreo cookie. We already discussed the firestorm of brain hormones that instantaneously spike your cravings for more, but even if you manage to gather enough willpower to move away from the bag of cookies, the blood sugar boost you got from that treat is quickly followed by a blood sugar drop. That low blood sugar is not a desirable state for your body to be in, so it triggers hunger hormones to encourage you to eat more. The other thing that sugar lies to us about is energy. All of your cells can take in sugar or glucose and use it, so sugar is an easy energy source for your body. Because of this, there's no denying the fact that drinking a sugary soda or eating a candy bar provides an energy boost. However, these types of massive energy dumps are quickly cleared away, causing a sleep-inducing blood sugar crash. This energy dumping and clearing cycle leaves you feeling exhausted. And if none of the reasons so far have felt compelling, consider what sugar does to your skin. From acne to early aging, sugar is a problem. A high glycemic diet is one that is focused on foods that continually spike blood sugar levels throughout the day. It's what we typically refer to as a junk food diet. Eating this way leads to high insulin levels, which stimulate the secretion of androgens and causes an increase in the production of the oils involved with acne. If acne issues are behind you, you may want to consider how sugar contributes to wrinkles and premature aging of the skin. Wrinkles are an inevitable part of aging. However, consuming a diet high in sugar and refined foods increases their appearance by increasing the production of advanced glycation end products. These skin aging compounds are appropriately referred to by their initials, AGEs. They form when sugar from your diet combines with protein inside your body, and they damage collagen, which causes your skin to lose its elasticity, leading to wrinkled and saggy skin. Sugary foods and drinks taste good and can make you feel good in the short term, but you will not outrun the unpleasant effects of a diet high in sugar and refined carbs. It will increase your cravings, hijack your thinking, make you gain weight, keep you hungry, drain your energy, and ruin your skin. The good news is that you can live without sugar, and you don't need to become someone you're not or rely on silly, overpriced foods to do so, but you do need to have alternatives at your fingertips. I just put together a cookbook of my family's favorite recipes. It contains no sugar, low carb meals that we eat every day, as well as side dishes and desserts that we take with us to parties or share with family and friends when they come to our house. This video gave you the reasons why you want to get sugar out of your life. This brand new cookbook gives you the recipes you need to stick with your no sugar lifestyle. If you would like a copy, visit drbeckyfitness.com/cookbook. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel before you go, and have a great rest of your day.